How to get free rewards in Monopoly Go. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can get free rewards in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. Now you can get free rewards and dice in Monopoly Go by using official daily links, inviting friends and participating in in-game events. The best methods include claiming official reward links, collecting hourly and daily bonuses, and joining the Tycoon Club. So you must check for curated daily breakdowns on community hubs of Monopoly Go to claim active developer-issued reward links. Open links directly on your mobile device with the game installed. You must reach level 15 to unlock the sticker and link feature. And these are a couple of ways that you can choose to get free rewards in Monopoly Go. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.